Dear colleagues and friends, I'm Bangcheng Tang from China. I'm very glad to participate in these international conferences in the field of experimental archaeology online. Next, as a representative of our team to give a speech, I will introduce to you some of the achievements of our Chinese bronze meteorite experiment that has been carried out for 3 years. Since the relevant work has not been published yet, my introduction here may not be very detailed, please forgive me. The topic of my report today is Procreation workshop by the fire, a study of the pottery Tuyères discovered at the bronze casting sites of the Shang Dynasty in China. As is known to all, many Tuyères used in the bronze melting operations have been unearthed in different regions of Asia, such as Cyprus, Egypt. In the Bronze Age of China, a large number of the Tuyères has also been discovered. How were these Tuyères used? Is there any connection between their shapes and functions? Are these Tuyères also related to the common sacrificial phenomenon at the bronze casting site of the Shang Dynasty in China? Through the methods of experimental archaeology, I will reconstruct different types of pottery Tuyères and use them in bronze melting operation to observe and try to answer these questions. Today's report mainly consists of 3 parts. Firstly, I will introduce the situation of the pottery Tuyères discovered in the Bronze Age of China. Secondly, I will present the specific experiment process of the reconstruction the pottery Tuyères and using them in the bronze melting operation. Finally, I will show some experimental results. Firstly, one introduction and background. In the Bronze Age of China, this study mainly focuses on the Shang Dynasty from 1600 BC to 1046 BC in the bronze casting sites of the Shang Dynasty in China. Some pottery Tuyères had been discovered. According to the shape of this pottery Tuyères, they can be roughly divided into 2 categories. One is the cylindrical pottery Tuyères, and the other is the conical pottery Tuyères. Among them, the number of the discovered conical pottery Tuyères is more than that of the cylindrical pottery Tuyères. Moreover, some conical pottery Tuyères have a unique feature, that is, they have a cup-shaped or umbrella-shaped structure at their ends. In addition to being discovered at bronze casting sites, pottery Tuyères from the Shang Dynasty in China has also been found in the tombs of the bronze casting craftsmen, and most of them are conical pottery Tuyères. Some remains after sacrificial achievements can also be below or near the furnace at bronze casting sites, such as sacrificial of the famous cattle, pigs, and so on. All this situation indicated that there may have been sacrificial behaviors during the bronze casting operation in the Bronze Age of China. Therefore, exploring the role of and studies of Tuyères in the bronze casting operations may be of great significance for understanding the sacrificial behaviors relating to bronze casting in the Bronze Age of China. Next, I will share some process related to the experiment. According to the archaeological excavation date, the clay around the bronze casting site was selected to reconstruct the conical pottery Tuyères and the cylindrical pottery Tuyères, and the umbrella-shaped or cup-shaped structure at the end of the conical pottery Tuyères was deliberately made. Then different types of the pottery Tuyères were used in the bronze melting operation. It can be proved that these Tuyères can be well applied to the bronze melting, and to the temperature on the surface of the furnace is generally between 700 and 800 degrees Celsius. When using pottery Tuyères for the bronze melting operation, with the air being blown into the furnace, a large number of the springs will fly up. In the ancient environment without modern originate, these sparks may seem delicious and full of mystery. Next, I will share some of the research results. There are three main conclusions. First, through the experiment, it can be well explained why the numbers of the canonical pottery Tuyères discovered in China's Bronze Age is larger than that of the cylindrical pottery Tuyères. The reason is that when using pottery Tuyères to blast air for melting bronze in the furnace, the conical pottery Tuyères has been better reference and higher reuse rate than the cylindrical pottery Tuyères. This is because of the umbrella-shaped or cup-shaped structure of the conical pottery Tuyères can provide protection, making the end of the pottery Tuyères placed inside the furnace heat more evenly, and preventing the pottery Tuyères from breaking due to the uneven heating. Second, through experimental archaeology, it has been found that the umbrella-shaped or cup-shaped structure on the Tuyères has the function of the increasing the reuse rate and of the pottery Tuyères. Third, when using pottery Tuyères for bronze melting operations, both the deep sound emitted by the furnace and the thinning sparks flying out of the furnace mostly may be processed a certain sense of the mystery in the ancient environment. Both the shape of the pottery Tuyères and the bronze bones of humans and animals with obvious reproductive function as females, cattle, and pigs near the furnaces imply that some of the sacrificial phenomena involved in the bronze casting sites of the Shang Dynasty in China may have a certain connection with a reproductive workshop. Regarding this aspect of work, relevant materials in ethnology and other fields will be combined in the follow-up, and a detailed analysis will be made. These are some of the references of this study. Once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for your attentive listening. I sincerely invite each and every one of you to visit China for academic exchanges in the captivation realm of the experimental archaeology. As a proud member of EXARC, I am more than willing to engage further. For those interested in the connection with me, kindly reach out to the relevant EXARC representative for my contact details. Thank you all for your time and attention.